me, and today I'm going to unbox the new Jimmy Choo Norway sneakers. Here I have the Jimmy Choo sneakers in white. Here's the box as I take off this beautiful white box with crystal writing, which I like Jimmy Choo. And then here I have is the informational books, how to take care of my new crystal shoes. Thank you, because I will need that. And always my Jimmy Choo bag that they always send in your shoes as you travel. You don't want to get your shoes dirty with any kind of makeup, which I do like. They come in handy. So as I unbox this, let's see. There's so many layers of tissue, and I like the fact that their name is logo all over the tissue, which is very nice. And look what we have here. These babies are beautiful. Look at that. If you love crystal, this is the shoe to have. Look at that. The detail. Here's the side, and the back even has a name, Jimmy Choo. So as you walk, they would know exactly what kind of shoe you have. Jimmy Choo, baby. And this shoe is the side. Look at that. As I lay these right here, these beautiful shoes. You might as well just take them both out so you can see what they both look like. Wow, these are some beautiful shoes. And in this box, I have the black smoke crystal. So let's see. And I have the receipt that I just got these shoes in from the Caesar Palace, the Jimmy Choo and Caesar Palace. Thank you, Poncho. And we still have this informational book, how to take care of your shoes. And your bag. And then actually more tissue and more tissue. And let's see what these look like. If I have no idea how to choose between the both, they're both gorgeous. I have one for day and one for night. And look at this. The details to these shoes is just gorgeous. The name in the back. And look at the traction. It has Jimmy Choo. So as I step in mud, I will leave the symbol Jimmy Choo. How nice is that? Look at this. I love glitter. If you know my personality, I shine like this every day. Every day. Let's just see. I'm going to leave those right there. Oh my goodness. And I'm going to leave these right there. Compare these two together. I'll let you decide which one you like, the white ones or the black crystals. I love them both, so I decided to get both. But I'm going to let you decide which one you like.